Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Kimberly May Ibatad, 25 years of age, currently single. I am from Piazza Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. I came from a loving family where I hold the role of the middle child. I have two siblings, my older brother and my younger sister. My father was a farmer and my mother was a housewife who has a teaching background in early childhood. She is also the one who motivates me to become a teacher. Looking back at my journey, I am incredibly grateful for my educational foundation. Having successfully attained my bachelor's degree in education, in elementary education, in Nueva Vizcaya State University. I am also a license holder, a licensed professional teacher.
Okay, can you tell me about your work experience?
During my final year of college, I completed a full-year teaching internship that prepared me in the classroom by placing me in grade 1 and grade 5. This experience allowed me to develop a deeply adaptable approach to education. In teaching grade 1, I focus on building foundational literacy, patience, and instructive routine essential for the early childhood development by teaching them phonics games and storytelling. In teaching a grade 1 students, you need to be patience, a lot of patience and energy. You need creative strategies to teach them because sometimes they may get bored or distracted easily. So when I am teaching in grade 1, I use pictures or icons alongside with the words. I also use songs, story, games, act it out activities to get their attention. Also, you should give them, you should guide them and give them direction one at a time. Also, sometimes I give them a simple reward for them to motivate and interact more during an activity. Conversely, for my grade 5 student, I shifted toward facilitating independent problem-solving, critical thinking, and interactive technology-driven lessons by teaching them collaborative projects and structured debates. In teaching a grade 5 students, you need a strategy that balances the growing desired interest in independence, like giving a real-world problem to solve. Also, in teaching them, I use the interactive tools like gamified quizzes, digital portfolios, and educational videos. You should also acknowledge their interest, know your learners' strengths and weaknesses so that you can help them if they are struggling. Managing the two grades sharpened my classroom management skills and solidified my passion in meeting students exactly where they are developmentally and expand my horizon in teaching.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Ma'am Sir. I want to express my strong interest in teaching position. I am confident in my abilities to contribute to your school. I am excited to apply my skills to succeed in students helping further knowledge. Thank you for your time and consideration.